And now we're moving on to Office Project of the Year, and this is sponsored by the City of Poznan. We'd like to call up Patrick Turek to give this award away. Patrick, please come on up and join us to give this award away. And if you would read off our short list.
Of course I will. And on the list we have Afi Karlin, Afi Europe, Czech Republic. Afi Volkovice, Afi Europe, Czech Republic. Dobbik, Dzielanko, Poland. Centrum Praskie, Koneser, Librehend-Wood, BBI Development, Poland. Equator 4, Karimpo, Poland. GDC White House, GDC Hungary. Nowogrodzka Square, Real, Poland. Ogrodowa Office, Wawipex, Poland. Olivia Prime, Olivia Business Center, Poland.
Wow, a lot of office buildings.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me present this year's winner in the category Office Project, Olivia Prime, Olivia Business Center, Poland.
Welcome back.
Well, what can I say? Again, it's just an absolute honour. Thank you to everybody really in the industry. We've managed to make a project, you know, far away up north on the beach, you know, not in Warsaw or Wrocław or Krakow. We've tried to make our project special in every way. We've learned from a lot of the people in this room, so this award and our achievements are really representative of the colleagues, the friends, the contacts, the network, and a lot of the hard work that everybody puts in, the agencies, the construction people, the project managers, the lawyers, all of the people that work so kindly with us. This award is for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, and come join us up here for